we going to?
We're going to Bali, Indonesia.
Our flight is at 3:40 in the morning. Right now, it's 12:51. So yes, we're going to Bali. We're staying there for 4 days and 3 nights. Finally here in the plane. Antok na kami. Oras na ba? 3:10 na ng madaling araw dito sa Pilipinas. Pareho lang naman sa Indonesia yung time. See you, bye! We're here in Bali! Say hi! Nakita namin si Yen Constantino tsaka yung asawa niya kanina. Hindi ako nagpa-picture kasi para silang nagmamadali eh. Nakakahiya namang mang-istorbo. Mga 2 hours yung biyahe. Gusto niyo bang bumili ng something? May tubig pa ba kayo dyan?
Wala na.
Bili muna tayong tubig. Alright, thank you. Let's go. We are going to our car. Ngayon si Kuya. Mainit nga. Parang Pilipinas. Kami ay nasa car na napakainit. Ibang seat pala to.
Nasa kaliwa.
Nasa kanan pala yung driver's seat. Kami ay pupunta na sa hotel. How long is the travel? 2 hours, yeah. 2 hours yung travel namin sa hotel. Nandito na kami sa Kus Farm Bali. So, kakain muna kami dito sa kanilang restaurant called The Rimbun Restaurant. And we're gonna eat first. And may, welcome drink. This is my food. Grilled chicken and rice with grilled chicken with Balinese spices. Parang may gulay dun sa gilid. Nalimutan ko yung tawag. Let's eat! Sa around sa?
Ayun, mga pinabibili.
Marami pala serving sila.
Yun.
Siyempre may assistant.
This is our accommodation. This is a Joglo Lodge. Joglo. Ayan. Very, nature-y. Ang dulas nung sahig.
Sa lamin na ito.
Wow. It's so nice. Tapos paglabas ng forest vibes. Wow! Meron kaming maliit na pond here. Very refreshing with all the koi fish. I just wanted a bit of nature. Kaya ito yung binook ko.
Grabe mo yung mga tela. Sabi ko
Bye! Bira mo nga ako dito ng...
Nakapag-swimming na ang Furzon. Grabe naman. Si Mama, nakatulog na dun sa sa chair. Good morning in the rainy Bali. It's day 2 and we have a tour booked in dapat meron kaming Ubud Monkey Forest pero in-skip na lang namin kasi nakikita ko yung mga videos ng mga monkeys na nangunguha ng gamit tsaka bigla na lang sumasampa sa'yo sa likod or nangangagat and ayoko nung ganun. Maraming monkeys sa Pinas. Punta kami mamaya sa Ubud Rice Terraces and yung waterfall But we're gonna have breakfast first. Good morning.
For coffee, one with milk? Yeah, with milk.
Yes. Thank you. 8 o'clock yung start ng breakfast nila. Pero nag-request kami agawan ng 7 kasi may tour kami ng 8 o'clock. First bite.
Blueberry.
Hello. Good morning. Is it Raka?
Yes.
Raka, you okay? You're right.
Yeah. How much? 3 people, correct?
3 people, yeah. Where are we going first?
We're going first on the road, still from here to the booth, still 1 hour up and 2 hours with the traffic jam.
Oh.
Okay.
Second time come to Bali?
First time.
First time. Where you come? Yesterday or before yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
From Philippines, yeah.
Ah, from 11. What time come to the hotel?
Maybe
Evening?
11,
11.
10:30, 11
The
a.m.
night?
Morning.
Morning.
Nandito na kami sa Ubud. Pero sobrang traffic. Grabe yung traffic dito sa Bali. Ayun, may mga nakahanay na. sasakyan. Maliliit lang kasi yung roads nila dito. Kaya, as in 2 lanes lang. Punta kami ng Ubud Rice Terraces. Kaya sobrang traffic sa Bali. This is Ubud Rice Terraces. The Tegalalang. Where is it? There you go. Nice.
In the Philippines, you have also the red rice?
Yes, we have brown, we have black rice.
Banana Rice Terraces. So, single swing kami and couple swing kami ni Mama. Let's go! Yun na. Ang taas din nung pinang-start niya. Nag-aantay kami ng turn namin. Number 15 kami sa couple swing. Yan yung voucher namin. So, yung couple swing is 400,000 Indonesian rupiah. Pag meron ding single swing na 200,000 Indonesian rupiah. Doon ako mamaya. Pag gusto mo mag-rent nung dress na gano'n, yung tulad ng suot ni ate doon. Yan, yung para may effect ng hinahangin na skirt. 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. Pero hindi na ako nag-rent ng dress. Okay na ako sa dress ko. Naka-dress din naman ako. Medyo flowy rin naman siya.
Look at that, 3, 2, 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walang kamay! Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Coming from where?
From there to there.
Sorry, there is a bit.
Look at me. Look at me here. Look at back. Look at back. Look at back. Look at me. Walang kamay.
Berang giga.
Now.
Thank you. Yes.
Took a lot of pictures.
That's good. Very good. Tapos na kami sa Ubud Rice Terraces. Ngayon, magla-lunch naman kami.
What the name, the language?
Kasi anong oras na rin, mag-1 p.m. na. So, mga gutom na kami. Uhaw.
Like the cat
But
tonight,
yeah,
right?
we got nice pictures
Musang,
and
I know.
videos. We are having lunch here sa Tebasari. For 3? Naka-order na kami ng food and meron silang pa-welcome drink para lemongrass, ginger, lime ba? And then silang pa-welcome snack while we're waiting for our food. We have our starters, calamari fritters. I ordered mango juice. Mama ordered Coke Zero. Wow, what a nice way of opening the can. Ang laki ng calamari nila. Yo. Dip it in the sauce. Ang kaya kainin. Nakain ko yung breading. Ang gusto pa yung pusit. Let's try again. Mozzarella yon. Lunch is served.
Ang laki. Kasi tinik ito. Ilalim mo lang laman.
Grabe, ang mura-mura nung kinain namin. 753,000 Indonesian rupiah. Sige, isang meal kami, tapos may isang starter. Tapos dalawang juice. In pesos, mga nasa 2,600 pesos lang siya. In pounds, nasa 33 pounds lang. Pero ang laki ng serving, meron pa kaming take away. Wonderful.
90 steps lang.
Napapalaban po talaga ang aking magulang sa mga hagdan na mga pinupuntahan namin. 90 steps lang daw to, pababa.
Oh my god, what is that?
It's a DJI Osmo. That's the Osmo, pocket camera.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and then
So are you an influencer or you
I'm trying to vlog.
vlogger?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not like a big one, but yeah,
what are you filming?
just like travels and stuff. Yeah.
So you've got a travel vlog?
Yeah, yeah.
And where are you based? Where are you from?
My parents are both from the Philippines, but I work in the UK.
Oh wow. And
Wait. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sarap maligo. Naliligo. Dito naman kami sa may nagwo-work daw. Wood carving.
This is local wood. We call it crocodile wood.
Real crocodile?
Crocodile wood. Crocodile tree.
Okay.
It's Rama Sita. Like Romeo and Juliet love story.
Okay, Romeo and Juliet.
Ending.
With happy
Sita?
ending.
Rama and Sita.
Rama and Sita. I thought Mama Sita because Mama Sita in Philippines, that is, the granules to put it in the food.
The sandalwood smells good.
Oh, sandalwood. Berapan, the Indian, what do you call it? Terrorist. This is his business. He's the one who smuggled this sandalwood.
Diba? Meron tayong ano.
This is we imported from Timor.
Timor, yeah. Timor-Leste, right? I know that history.
Ang dami niyang alam.
Ebony.
Yes, ebony.
How about ivory?
Ayun, last supper. Yan mo yung aulo. Happy Buddha! Ang dami na namin ginaganito eh. Puro na lang.
Put in US dollar. 295.
295.
Now we give you half price. $150.
150 discount?
You're very nice. There's a dog. Oh, look at this. Galing nila. They say it's just only from their imagination. All the designs. They don't copy it from anywhere. All from the creative mind. Yeah.
Where you come from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Punta kami sa coffee plantation here in Bali.
For the red bean coffee like that, it's ready to harvest. For the green one like this, is not ready. Still young. But this one still young. We must wait until grow the flower first. After grow the flower, we pollination. If we success, we can get the stick. The stick we take the powder, the black one, and we mix for Bali coffee, coconut sugar, soya milk, become to vanilla coffee.
What do you call this in animal? In Indonesia?
Luwak,
Yeah, in Philippines, this is musang,
musang. Okay.
like a cat.
Yes. And
Coffee
this
from
one, the
poo
statue,
of the
inside we
animal.
have real
Yeah, we have this.
uh,
With
yeah.
my grandfather
In
in Philippines, we had came from.
we must wait until yellow color is ready.
Or
Here,
the red one.
yeah, red one also. And here we mix with coffee. We call mocha, mocha coffee.
Mocha.
Yeah. This one the animal now sleep because the animal is nocturnal. They active only in the night and now they sleep.
Yes, after that he will poo
Yeah.
and you will collect the poo.
Yeah, and the animal only like eat fruit like papaya
Yes.
or banana. If no season, they will eat the red coffee bean.
Mm.
And first we separate. After we separate, we wash. Rinse it. And the second layer of coffee is very hard, so the animal can digest. Make until that color like this. Now you can smell. This one Bali coffee, mix of Arabica
Nice.
and Robusta. And from the animal, we have cassava chips from a sweet potato.
We're gonna try some coffee tasting. Meron pang libreng snack. Nako, baka dumiretso ako ng banyo nito ah.
Yung 50,000 lang isang kape, pag dalawa, 100,000. Yung makakabili na ako ng motor, 87,000 lang ang motor.
Ito yung mga itatry namin coffee, tea. Curious ako sa avocado coffee.
Picture start with Bali coffee.
Bali
Bali
coffee.
cocoa, hot chocolate,
Bali cocoa.
ginseng coffee, lemongrass tea, coconut coffee. Ginger you can drink slowly because it's a bit spicy. Good for the throat, vanilla coffee, and this one rosella, like a hibiscus.
Parang masarap to.
With mocha. This one mangosteen from the skin of the fruit.
This one is good.
This one turmeric tea, good for your stomach.
The avocado coffee, I'm curious about.
Remember,
Avocado
half
coffee.
the size, one.
And how much per grams?
For 100 grams, start with 90,000. Later you can have look in shop.
90,000. You know, in Philippines, I can buy one motorbike for 90,000.
Sugar no milk. Luwak coffee. This is the from the animal poop. Luwak coffee.
Cavite meron.
Rosella tea.
Dito sa umaga.
Turmeric.
I like this.
Malin.
Oh, there's also chocolate. Chili. Chili chocolate. Ito yung gusto ko, Rosella tea. Yeah. Look at that. Mura daw yung mga dito, souvenirs. Maghanap na kami ng souvenir. Mukha nga siyang mumurahin yung style ng shop niya. Everything here. Merong clothes, may maleta doon sa side na yon. Ito, may bracelets. We are back in our hotel. It was a very long and tiring day. Pinag-uusapan lang namin kanina ni Mama at Papa ko anong gagawin namin sa tomorrow. Kasi meron pa naman kaming day tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow nag-book na ako ng tour like 2 months ago. To go to Lempoyang Temple and Tertaganga. Nag-cancel yung tour driver namin kasi sira yung kotse niya, nasa repair shop. So I said, okay, that's fine. Book ako ng bagong tour via Viator. And to the same tourist destinations, yung Lempuyang Temple and yung Tirtaganga Water Palace. And then kanina, while we were touring around this morning, yung agent nag-message din sa akin saying na they had to cancel again. Medyo pangit kasi ngayon ang weather sa Bali, umuulan, tas kanina kumukulog din, kumikidlat. Yun, meron na daw mga nag-falling, mga debris na nahulog, and dun sa access road papunta doon sa mga destinations, and meron na rin mga puno na nahulog. So, it's unsafe. Tinitingnan ko yung weather forecast for tomorrow. It's like raining the whole day. Ayoko rin namang i-risk na lumabas kami na ganun yung panahon kasi may flight din kami na kailangan maaga kami nasa Bali Airport. Mga 1 a.m. dapat nakaalis na kami dito sa hotel kasi medyo malayo tong hotel na nakuha namin. Medyo ano siya, parang 2-hour drive, 2 to 3 hour drive to Bali Airport. Kung sabi nung driver namin kanina, kung kailangan daw namin umalis ng madaling araw, we have to allot another hour early. Kasi daw usually that time, yung mga trucks, yung kasabay namin, baka mag-traffic sa mga, dahil sa mga truck. Tomorrow, our plan is just to stay in here, mag-swimming na lang, chill lang, mag-relax. And hopefully, next time we visit Bali, we'd be able to go to Lempuyang Temple and Tirtaganga, and maybe we'll book somewhere closer to those places para hindi mahirap umuwi afterwards. Day 2 in Bali has been fun, and yeah, see you in day 3. Today is a chill day. Magsuswimming kami ni mother. Bam! Mamaya massage kami. So, we're walking to the swimming pool. Punta kami sa kanilang spa center. So, yung bayad namin per 1 hour Balinese massage session is 211,000 Indonesian rupiah. Ayan. Yung spa center nila. Welcome, madam. Ma'am, soft or hard po?
This year?
Yeah, only 4 days. We went to Ubud yesterday.
Ubud is good. Feel good.
It's our flight back to Manila. We're gonna leave early at 1 a.m. Mga 2 to 2.5 hours yung biyahe pa airport. So, kailangan namin umalis na maaga. Pero ang flight namin nasa mga 8:35 pa ng umaga. Pero we have to be there at least 3 hours before. It's been good, Bali. Hope to come back. Hello! Hi again! Siya pala ulit ang driver namin. We are here in the Ngurah Airport. Ang aga namin nakarating, parang mag 3 o'clock pa lang ata ng madaling araw. Better early than late. So, nag-aantay lang kami ni Mama at Papa na magbukas yung check-in counter ng Cebu Pacific. 8:30 pa yung flight namin. Actually, after ng 8:30 flight back to Manila, wala nang ibang flight back to Manila. So, kailangan talaga namin na kunin yung flight na yun kasi wala nang iba. There's only 2 flights back to Manila today. Isa na 1 a.m. kanina at isang yung flight namin mamaya yung 8:30. And may mga naririnig kayo mga construction na nagaganap kasi nga it's the perfect time to do things like that. Bali was so nice. Say hi. Hi. Hopefully we come back to Bali again. In the plane. Say bye Bali. Say bye Bali. Bye Bali, Indonesia. Say bye Bali, everybody. Terima kasih Bali. Until next time.